Hey, hello all. Today we will see how get all the A360 APIs from the control room URL. So we can use the control room URL and open the Swagger, and then we can get all the documentation. So navigating to address bar, I have removed everything and write Swagger. We'll hit enter. So this is the control room API application. Here you will get all the APIs available for the A360 control room. Let's go ahead with the authentication API. So whenever you are interacting with API, you need authentication token. So I'll just go ahead with the authentication API, and this is the authenticate user. It requires username, password, API key that is for a single sign-on. Okay, so let's see whether we'll be able to generate the token with this particular API. Let me open A360. I have created a API bot, and we will use this API to generate the token. This is our base URL, and it's a post method, and then we need v1 slash we want to we want to get the token for the registered user. I'll copy this authentication keyword, and then I'll hit here, remove extra space. I'll save it. Now we will scroll down, and here we need to pass the body with this API. I have stored body in the locker, so I'll be selecting that locker. So as you can see, what you have to do is you can copy this, open notepad, and paste this body. At this moment, we don't need API key, so we will remove everything, and now we need to pass our actual username and password. Copy this, and you can store this in the credential vault. I have already done that, and I have just selected this credential. Now let's see what we are getting. So as we can see, it requires either a dictionary variable or a multiple variables. We will go ahead with the dictionary variable. I'll create a one dictionary variable, and that is the response. And I'll print the body. Gonna run this. We got an error. It says authenticate. Let's revalidate the API. Okay, it requires authentication, not authenticate. So I will correct the URL. That's it. And here I just want to see the body. So I will select this variable, and I will type body as a key. Then let's see what we are getting. So as we can see, we have got this whole thing. I'll copy this and close this. So it's a JSON response. It says you are logged in twice because this is a community edition and community edition doesn't support multi-login. So in actual case, you can enable multi-logging, and if you are trying to generate token using API, it will not log you out. So let me just open any JSON beautifier, or I would say JSON Weaver. You can go ahead with this, paste it here, and then format. Okay, so you have all of this information there, but we just need this token, and with this token, you can hit other APIs as well. So it's a JSON response, and then we just need a one particular node from the JSON. So we will create a session for this. Then it's a variable. It's a text. My bad. It's a text. I'll select this local session. Later we need to end this session as well. And we need a node value. We need token, default session, and we will store it in a variable. And let's print the token. So as we can see, we have got the token. Now we can use this token when we are hitting any other APIs on A360. I'll close this, and this is the Swagger UI. I would suggest you to explore these APIs and let me know. And if you have any question or any feedback in the comment section. Thank you all. Bye.